Hi mga yads! I'm back! A day in my life as an OFW Disney princess. So for today's video, it's a series of ganap na naman. So this was last Saturday, so I started with brunch after my part-time. And in the afternoon, Red invited us to have a Zumba. Ang init-init mga yads, pero laban Japan kasi minsan lang to lumabas yung kaibigan ko, no? Sulitin natin. And shout out to Station 8 for having us. Ito pala yung kasamahan namin with Coach Vincent. At kasi na late kami ng 30 minutes, nabitin kami. So nag-exercise ako sa bahay, no? Syempre, pabibo tayo kasi alam ko sa gabi may ganap eh. Mindset ba? Mindset mga yads. So yes, I'm on my way to Jan's pakain. So we had our dinner in Dampa Al Maria Mall in Abu Dhabi. Actually, nawala pa kami kasi akala namin yung dati pang Dampa. Eh ngayon, Dampa na pala yung nasa mall. So nagkawalaan pa, no? Gigid miscommunications. But anyways, here we are together with my leaguers. Happy birthday, Jen. Some photo ops of us and some videos. So makikita nyo naman na happy-happy talaga ang mga auntie at uncle nyo. So Jen pala is our youngest sa group. Tama ba? Hoy. Once a week lang siya nakakasama sa amin. Minsan nga wala na kasi may jowa bells. Syempre, unahan yung jowa ka sa tropa. Oy, hoy. Charot, kidding aside. We're happy for you, Be. Kung ano ka ngayon. Always remember, andito lang kami mga ate at kuya mo. Charot, gil. Hoy. After that, dumiretso kami sa bahay. Alam niyo na mga nangyari. So, we played some cards, drink, chika. So, as an OFWs, simple na mga ganap. Maligaya na talaga kami. Again, Jen, I hope you had a great birthday. Happy birthday from Leaguers. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Sige na, bye mga yads. Sus, ang now. Hoy.